Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's another install, and today's video is sponsored by Dola hair company. I have worked with them before, so they're not new to my channel. So hi again, Dola's here. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me in the box. So they sent me my wig bag, which I can put my wig when I'm not wearing it. They sent me some stocking cap. I do have one on my head, so that's why it's opened. They sent me the card to let me know what length and the density of the wig. So this is a 26-inch wig, 200% density, and the cap size is a medium. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know, like I don't know if my head's big or not, so I just stay in between. But yeah, it's a medium cap. They sent me their card, so I guess they're doing some type of promotion. Yeah, it's pretty much a thank you card with more information about their store. They sent me some baby hair combs. I'm actually dying for a company to send me the baby hair comb that has the part at the bottom that you could use to wipe the glue. Like, I want one, but like I don't want to buy it because I don't really need it. So if I get it for free, then it's better. But yeah, they sent me this little brush thing. This is a mirror and a brush in one. Yeah, and of course some head scarf or headband to tie my baby hairs down to let it set in place. So that's what they sent to me. So this is the wig that they sent to me. I did went ahead and plucked the hairline, bleached the wig and all of that. This is a 13x6, so I do have the full middle parting space in the full 6-inch parting space in the middle, but not on the side, unfortunately, but we shall make it work. This is their 26-inch 200% density. The wig comes with the normal combs inside, one in the middle, two on the side, and one at the back. They sent the wig with some straps, which I don't know if I'm going to be using, but yeah, the strap comes in it for those who would like to get strapped in their wig. It does come with it. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and install this wig. Honestly guys, I don't know what I want to do. Like, I want to do a style with this wig, but I'm just not sure what to do. I'm confused, but I don't want to just do the regular middle part and that's it. Like, I want to do something. I'm trying to style my wigs so you guys don't get the same boring content all the time. So I'm trying to try new styles with each wig that I get. I just don't know what will look cute with this wig. I just don't know. But let's see. Let me try it on. I might use the strap. I'm not sure. I don't normally care to use it. Actually, yeah, I'm not going to use it. Sorry. I just don't need 2 extra straps for my head right now to make my brain hurt. So I am going to be spraying this with my Even Titty Lace spray. And like always, I'm always doing my TikTok video while I'm doing my YouTube video. So if you see like TikTok video or me turning to the side, it's just because like I'm doing my TikTok video. Yeah, guys, you see my ears? Like, I feel like my ears are like flat right here, and then it just like, what? Like, what was my parent thinking? Like, what kind of ears are these? Like, what? You know what I hate with the Even Tinted Lace spray? They finish like that. It's like so annoying because I probably got like 3 installs out of it, not more. It's empty. And they're $10 each, so imagine. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really did not know what to do with my hair, and I wanted to do this style for a long time. I've done it before, but not with like, I haven't done it with it let out, like the swoop. I've done it before, and I think I did a little low ponytail with the wig, but I think this is my first time actually. Is it? I don't remember, but anyways, I love this hairstyle. It is so cute, like blend, and I love the fact that because it's a 13x6 parting space, so I was able to go deep with the parting, like period. This is a 26-inch. Like I said, I am 5'5", and it is a little bit longer than the camera. I just tried checking, but so you guys won't see where it reaches me. But it's pretty much above my butt, or like on literally when where my butt starts, like that's where it reaches me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The makeup tutorial for like this look will be somewhere, like I will probably link it down below, if either or, if it's up before this video or this video is up before that, then I will link it down below. Regardless, I will like attach the makeup look to it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave our comments down below. But without further ado, why did I say that? Why did I say that? But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.